All right, Tony, why should people join us live for our online training on February 27th?
Don't do it unless you're hungry. And I don't mean food hungry. I mean hungry for more, hungry to have an impact, hungry to find a higher purpose. It's what both of us have built our lives on over 60 years between us, for me, 40 years. And it's the opportunity to really learn how to take any knowledge you have, anything that's useful, anything that's valuable, and help other people. Or if you know somebody else, I started as a knowledge broker. Jim Rohn was my teacher, and I learned all these things he was doing, and I didn't have his skills, so I got people to hear him. And that helped change my life because I heard it over and over again until I became the speaker.
And then you were the expert.
Yeah, and I became the expert. So it's just, if you're looking for a way to either have a secondary business, but one that's meaningful. Anybody can sell widgets or go online and market something. But if you want to do something that's fun, that's powerful, that's emotive, that gives you meaning, and you should tune in live and we'll show you exactly how we've done it over the last 60 years together.
The last 4 stages I was on, I've asked if you could do one or the other. At the end of your life, you could make massive amount of impact or make massive amount of money. It's always 100% people say, I'd rather make impact. It's not for the few anymore. Self-education is becoming the new norm. Tony and I condensed 60 plus years. We took decades, as you always say, condensed it into the best course possible, the best process, the blueprint, and now we're going live again. We went live last year. We had over 450,000 people register. Over 200,000 people showed up. And those 200,000 people who didn't show up had massive FOMO for missing out on live, and we're doing it again.